Hello dear students, in this lesson I'm going to talking about law and variable. In the first part of this lesson, write each term in the other variable. Example number 1, you have v plus f equal to s plus 2, and the variable v, we have to make this equation variable v stay alone. So we have to change the place of variable f to the right side, so we can write v equal to s plus 2, and when we change the place of the variable f, the sign of its sign change from positive to negative, because we have positive f become negative f. So this is the formula, and we wrote this term of the other variable. Example number 2, we have v plus f equal to s plus 2. The variable s, it means we have to make the variable s stay alone. So we can write v plus f, and then we have to change the place positive 2 to left side. Positive 2 become negative 2 equal to s. So the variable s equal to v plus f minus 2. Example number 3, we have 2f plus 7 equal to L minus 4y, the variable L. We have to make this equation, the variable L stay alone. So we can write 2f plus 7, and then we have to change the place of negative 4y to the left side. Negative 4y become positive 4y equal to L. So L equal to 2f plus 7 plus 4y. Example number 4, we have 5n equal to 3f squared L, and the variable L, we have to make this equation L stay alone. So we have multiplication equation, so we have to divide both sides by 3h squared. 3h squared to reduce this 3h squared. These two terms are reduced. L stay equal to 5n out of 3h squared. Example number 5, we have this equation, and we have to make this equation the variable y stay alone. So we can write 8n plus 5x. We have to change the place of constant positive 12 to the left side. Positive 12 become negative 12 equal to y. So y equal to 8n plus 5x minus 12. After that, the second part of this lesson, how to isolate the variable by multiplying or divide. Example number 1, you have m equal to th, the variable h. We have to make this equation variable h stay alone. So we have a multiplication equation, you have to divide both sides by h. These two h are reduced, so t stay equal to m out of h. Sorry, the variable h, we have to make this h should be t, the variable t. So t equal to m out of h. Another example, example number 2, a equal to r square h pi and the variable h. You have to make this equation, the variable h, stay alone. So we have multiplication equation. We have to divide both sides by r square pi. R square pi. These two terms are reduced. H stay equal to a out of r square pi. Example number 3, we have m equal to 4hy, the variable h. You have to make this equation, the variable h stay alone. So we have to divide both sides by 4y. These two terms are reduced. H stay equal to m out of 4y. Example number 4, we have 3 out of 4, mn equal to 5x, the variable n. So you have to make this equation, the variable n stay alone. We have to divide both sides by 3 out of 4m. But first, we have to reduce this 3 out of 4. So, first step, you can multiply both sides by 4 out of 3, the reciprocal of 3 out of 4. 4 out of 3 and solve. So, we have 3 out of 4 m n equal to 5x. We have to multiply both sides by 4 out of 3. These two fractions are reduced. We have mn equal to, and then you have to multiply these two terms, 5x out of 1. 5x times 4 equal to 20x out of 3. After that, we can multiply both sides by 1 out of m to reduce this m. So this m are reduced and stay equal to 1 times 20x equal to 20x, 3 times m equal to 3m. So n equal to 20x out of 3m. Example number 5, we have 1 out of 2xy equal to 4l plus 7, the variable x. So we have 1 out of 2 xy equal to 4l plus 7. First, we can multiply both sides by 2 out of 1 or by 2. These two terms are reduced. Xy equal to 2 times 4 is 8l plus 2 times 7 is 14. After that, we have to divide both sides by y. These two terms are reduced, so x equal to 8l plus 14 out of y. In the third part of this lesson, how to isolating variable using square root. Example number 1, we have a equal to pi r square, the variable r. We have to make this equation, the variable r stay alone. So first we have to divide both sides by pi. So we have a equal to pi r square. We have to divide both sides by pi. These two pi's are reduced, so r square equal to a out of pi. And then we have to take in the square root for both sides. R equal to positive, negative a out of pi. Example number 2, we have y equal to x squared minus 1, the variable x. So first we have to change the place of negative 1 to the left side, so y equal to negative 1 become positive 1, y plus 1 equal to x squared, and then we have to take the square root for both sides, so x is equal to positive negative y square root of y plus 1. Example number 3, we have x squared equal to 3y plus 4, the variable x. So we can take the square root for both sides. We have x squared equal to 3y plus 4, x squared equal to x positive negative 3, the square root of 3y plus 4. Example number 4, you have 25m squared equal to x plus 7, the variable m. First, we have to divide both sides by 25 to reduce this to 25s. These two 25s are reduced, m squared equal to x plus 7 out of 25, and then we can take the square root for both sides, x equal to positive negative, the square root of 25 is 5, and then we have to write x plus 7, so the square root of x plus 7 out of 5. After that, the last part of this lesson, we have this equation 9c equal to 5f minus 160. How to write this equation c in term of f. So we have 9c equal to 5f minus 160. First step, you have to, or we can multiply both sides by 1 out of 9. So these two 9s are reduced, c equal to 1 out of 9 times 5f minus 1 out of 9 times 160, and then c equal to 5 times 1 equal to 5 out of 9 f minus 160 times 1 equal to 160 out of 9. After that, we can say c equal to 5 out of 9 multiplied by f minus 160 divided by 9 equal to 32. And then the second part of this example, write f in term of c. So we have 9c equal to 5f minus 160. First, we have to divide both sides by 5. These two 5s are reduced, and then we have 9c plus 160 equal to 5 F. First, you have to arrange the terms. We have 9c plus 160 equal to 5 F, and then you have to divide both sides by 5. So F equal to 9c plus 160 out of 5, and then F equal to 9 out of 5 C plus 160 out of 5. So F equal to 9 out of 5 C plus 32.